Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're still on divisibility rule, but this time let's look at divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So that means if a number is given to you and asked to know if that number is divisible by 3, all you have to do is add the said numbers, and if the sum is divisible by 3, so therefore that number is divisible by 3. Let's look at this example. The question is 342 divisible by 3? So how are we going to solve this very quickly without actually attempting dividing by 3? So all I have to do is I'll have 3 plus 4 plus 2. And 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Since 9 is a multiple of 3, or since 3 can divide 9 with no remainder, that means that 342 is divisible by 3, because the sum of 342 gave us 9, which is a multiple of 3 and also divisible by 3. Let's try this second example. Is 251 divisible by 3? So I'm going to have 2 plus 5 plus 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3, and 3 can't divide 8 equally. So therefore we can say that 251 is not divisible by 3. Let's look at the exercise we have here. It says we should decide if these stated numbers are divisible by 3. For number 1, we have 2 and 7, that is 27. Let's know if it's divisible by 3, though this one is a very simple part. We are going to have 2 plus 7, and 2 plus 7 is equal 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so we can say that 27 is divisible by 3. And the second question is 114. So I'm going to have 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So therefore, 114 is divisible by 3. And the third question, 508. So I'm going to have 5 plus 0 plus 8. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Then 13 is not a multiple of 3. That means that 3 can divide 13 equally. Therefore, 508 is not a multiple of 3. The fourth question, 3726. Let's know if it's divisible by 3. I'll have 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 8 will give us 18. 18 a multiple of 3? Yes. That means that 3 can divide 18 equally. So therefore, 3726 is divisible by 3. Add this fifth question and write down your answer in the comment section.